Swaraj Bakshi, you are studying in which college? You are also Chandigarh University?
No, sir, I'm from Odisha, MCA.
Oh, acha, acha, MCA.
Yes,
Very
sir.
good. From which college? Tell us about your
Uh,
college.
Hello. Thank you for giving me opportunity to introduce about my college. Sir, I'm currently pursuing my integrated MCA, that is Master of Computer Applications from Utkal University, Bhubaneswar, Odisha itself. It is known as to be one of the mother. It is known to be Mother University of Odisha because it was the first university in the Odisha state, and it was and the course which I'm pursuing also, it was also started a very like it has been around 10 to 15 years. It was the first integrated course which was introduced in the university. Many prominent peoples are also graduated from these colleges. Current like
इतना लंबा बोलने से तो समय नहीं होगा.
okay, sir. ठीक है,
You
चलो.
should tell when was it started, who is the principal of it, what are the different programs being offered, what are the speciality of this, if anything. That's all. Briefly,
Okay.
that's you don't have to
Yes.
tell about बड़ा बड़ा आदमी इधर काम पढ़ा था, ये
Okay, sir.
सब जरूरत नहीं. Good. Now tell me about yourself briefly.
Okay. Sir, my name is Swaraj Bakshi. I am from Cuttack, Odisha. I've done my 10th and 12th from DA Public School, Cuttack, Odisha itself. After that, I joined integrated MCA course in Utkal University, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. Currently, I'm pursuing in my final years. I did internships at Deloitte, Pyrooms, Smarter Software, where I learned skills like business strategy, business planning, technology consulting, project management, and many more. So
Can
this
you
is
tell
what.
me something about project management?
Okay. Sir, in project management, actually, we were dealing with to successful delivery of any project, whether it's a software. Basically, I was working in the software domain, so these were mostly the software products, like some applications or some systems or some softwares or some websites. It is basically whenever the project used to come, there are some phases which we used to follow. There are some timelines which we used to divide, and some phases which we follow to deliver the product on time, and ensuring that there is no time gap or there is no limitations in that, so that even if it is there, we have some time to manage it. So this is what the project management we did.
Mhm. Mm, what are the uses to which computers are put into nowadays in banking?
Okay. Sir, actually, nowadays computers are mostly used in banking sector because after the UPI system which was introduced in India, and it is one of the technology which needs technologies, and we can see that there is a technology revolution in the fintech industry since last 5 years, and it's going to be more in the next coming years, upcoming years. So, in my point of view, sir, that in Indian sector is the very biggest, have a very big opportunity in the in the neo banking and the internet banking, we can say, because nowadays it has made our life easier to receive and send money, and to manage our financial in monthly basis, like we can split automatically we will be getting. There are some algorithms and created, and some products are also nowadays are developed, that they will give you a report at the end of the month, that how much you spent on fuel, how much you spent on grocery, how much you spent on rents. So this is what has made India to be a financially literate.
Swaraj,
Yes, sir.
I wanted to know only what way it is used in banking.
Okay.
And you started explaining how individuals can put it into use. Do you follow what I
Yes,
mean?
sir.
Uh,
Yes,
I
sir.
Samapi, we should not go away from the topic.
Okay.
This is the thing. Of course, your answer was not at all wrong. It was बट आपने इतना लंबा बात करते हैं, हम लोग का समय नहीं ना, खाली 20 मिनट 15-20 मिनट का अंदर में आपको इंटरव्यू खत्म करना है, आपको
Okay, sir.
कैपेबिलिटी अंडरस्टैंड करना है.
Okay, sir. We'll take
So
care.
now the only condition is talking briefly.
Yes, sir.
Don't think I'm cutting you or
No,
slicing
sir.
you, but this is everything is
Okay, sir.
okay. Number one, you have very good personality. You have a smiling face. Number three, you are talking very well in English. सब कुछ है, but यही problem है आपको ज्यादा बोलना है. What type of a
Okay, sir.
boy are you? Are you a talkative boy?
Sir, like when it terms of introducing to new people, I sometimes become more talkative.
What is your father?
So my father is serving in the government of Odisha. He's posted as the DDM, Deputy Director of Mines, in one of the
Oh,
district.
I think
Yes,
we
sir.
had an earlier interview, or we talked earlier
No,
in
sir.
the GD class, or we had another interview earlier before.
No, sir. First time
Yeah,
I'm giving.
oh, Baba, all these conditions I know. You are telling about your father working in mine. Then I remember to have asked, what about mining, which mining, and all that. Maybe for some other purpose we talked over
Yes, sir.
phone. Correct? Oh, that's
No,
fine.
sir. I was not that guy. Might be some other.
Maybe some other guy. Oh,
Yes,
oh,
sir.
पता नहीं. कोई बात
Acha.
नहीं. Excellent, excellent. But I think you have met me in GD class. Correct?
No, sir. I after after I qualified the GD round, I contacted you for the interview.
Oh, is it so? Oh, I'm
Yeah.
sorry.
Yes,
No
sir.
problem.
No, sir. No issue.
Absolutely. Yeah. Yeah, now, please tell me some, because I don't know, for computer-based questions, they will ask about artificial intelligence. What is artificial intelligence? Here, the answer you told is correct. How artificial intelligence is used in banking, and
Yes, sir.
there you can tell that. But I think even then, the answer is not fully complete. Have you prepared for this question? Use of artificial intelligence in banking. Did you search Google and find out?
Sir, the question PDFs which you gave in the drive, which were there in the drive, I have gone through them.
Hmm.
Other than that, I have not gone. I will after this. I will go through it if something is left out.
Yeah.
But that type of question was
See,
not there.
it was not there. How is
Yes, sir.
artificial intelligence used in India? It is used in agriculture, healthcare, education, infrastructure, transport, cyber security, banking, manufacturing, business, hospitality. Is
Yes, sir.
artificial intelligence available in India? India's national strategy for artificial intelligence has formulated the way forward to harness the power of artificial intelligence in various fields such as healthcare, agriculture, education, smart cities, infrastructure, smart mobility. What is the current uses of artificial intelligence? This is what it is.
Yes,
I
sir.
will show
Sir,
you. Yeah. या ये तो अभी हम पूरा नहीं पढ़ेंगे. आई एम जस्ट
sir. I
इंट्रोड्यूसिंग.
will go through. I will go through it after this.
या ये पूरा पढ़ लीजिएगा. ठीक है.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. That's right. Let me come to the questions I have to ask you. Good.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Do you how banks are doing currently? How are they functioning? Are they functioning well, or are they not functioning well, or is there any scope for improvement? आपका views क्या है?
Hmm. Sir, in my point of view, in like what I have read in the newspapers and all, sir, the reason for financial inclusions in inclusion has taken over in India. So I think that fintech industry is growing day by day, and the main backbone we can say for the fintech is the bank. So simultaneously, the products which were launched by the Indian government and other financial bodies in India, those who are operating as a in private sector, let it be or public, have introduced some innovative and more advanced products which have made the market more competitive to for their competitors, and they are trying to solve customers' queries at a very less time. So this is what, sir, I can say. But
Nice,
more
but
I
then,
haven't.
yeah, but you never gave your views whether they are functioning well or not. First sentence should have been banks are doing very well. When you
Yes, sir.
say it like that, they will feel happy. Then they will listen to you. Good.
Okay. Sir, actually, I didn't went through any particular data was not there in my mind, so that's why I approached the questions
I
answer
know,
like in this way.
I could see this. I could see this. No problem.
Yes, sir.
Do you think privatization of banks will increase job opportunity? ये सब
It,
क्वेश्चंस आपको नेट में है ना?
हाँ मिल जाता yes.
बोलिए.
Definitely, sir. Definitely, sir. It will increase the job opportunities because if we will see the previous statistics data, previously the government of Odisha, government of India, so sorry for that, has merged all the banks into six anchor banks. The reasons why they were merged were for the operations and to for the business expansions, and these things have created a very has diversified the solutions which were provided to their customers, and now they are able to reach to the customers at a very e- easy way,
Mm,
you can say.
mm.
Yes, sir.
Good. Can you tell me about the business position of our Federal Bank?
Business position, sir, I couldn't get.
Business position means what is the total deposits, total advances?
Sir, at that I have not gone through that data, so I will, sorry for that, I will go through it. I don't know
Very
that.
good. There is one paper in the material given to you. You are aware of that?
Yes, sir.
Or have you seen that or not?
Sir, which paper? ADDA bankers, that what?
No, 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 no. नहीं 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 नहीं. अरे भाई, ये तो second quarter results.
Second quarter results. Huh, sir, that one I have gone through. It has given the highest quarterly growth rate of 704 crores. That is 53% year
Profit,
of year.
operating net profit.
Yeah.
This is what I
And
am showing you. This is the
yeah, yeah,
thing.
sir. Rise
इसका
of
पूरा पढ़
53%.
लीजिए. इसका
Okay,
पूरा
sir. Okay,
पढ़ने
sir.
से आपको पता हो जाएगा what is the total business. 3 lakhs
ठीक है.
50,000. Deposit 1 lakh 89,000.
Yeah.
Advances 1 lakh 64,000 crores. Then net worth is 19,617. It has 1,305 branches, 1,876 ATM and cash recyclers. ये सब पढ़ना है. ठीक है?
Mm.
Good.
Okay, sir.
Very, very good. Next, any other question you have? Do you have any questions to ask me?
No,
And
sir. Actually,
don't think I have not spent more time with you. For want of time, I'm not able to do it. All that can be compensated if you go through my some other videos of mine that have been already posted,
sir.
and I think I have shared successful videos also. So if you
Yes,
can
sir.
just go through that, that will go well. And go through the questions. If you don't
Yes,
know
sir.
the answer, search in Google and get them. You
Sir, I
can
have
do
made
very
a note. I have made a notebook of the same, and I am writing. So this is the paper what I have done.
excellent. Good. Best wishes. Now, again, the only correction for you is to talk
Yes, sir.
briefly, nothing else. You will be selected. You will be selected. Only thing is, you should talk briefly.
Sir, briefly in the sense like I
No, no.
am getting it more brief. So that's
No, for example, if they ask you what is the deposit of the branch or deposit of the bank, you should tell rupees 1 lakh. What is the figure? I'm not remembering. 1 lakh 89,000 crore. Stop
hmm.
with that. And
Okay, sir.
for a question why you want to join the bank, you can't talk sentences after
Yes, sir.
sentences.
Yes,
Should
sir. Yes,
tell the
sir.
points.
Yes, sir.
Best wishes. You did well. And any other doubts you have?
Sir, what are the questions I may expect? Because actually, I'm not from this.
You are from
Like,
MCA. Yeah, I
yes,
have
sir.
not asked those questions. I was having those questions on my hand. Like, mm, mm, 1 minute. I have. mm, See, I think that we can get it from our bankers अड्डा itself.
Yes,
Bankers
sir. It is
अड्डा
there.
उसमें से देख लीजिए वो सब क्वेश्चंस को I will ask 3 questions from that. If you can answer that, I will give you very good marks. Otherwise, I will give you low marks. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Challenge.
हाँ sir.
Which topology is most suitable for banks?
Star topology.
Good. Can you expand CBS? Tell me a few CBS.
Yes, sir. Sir, CBS is the abbreviation for of core banking solutions. It is mostly used by banking sector for their operational purposes. Some of the product softwares which were made by in the CBS are Finacle and BANSCS, which is also developed by Tata, and Finacle is developed by Infosys. So this is what I know.
Super. Define protocol.
Defined protocol. So this question I have to let. Sorry for that. I have not gone
Is
through that.
database a data warehouse?
इसलिए ये छोड़ दिया था डीबीएमएस थोड़ा देखा नहीं था ऊपर का देख लिया था पूरा और नीचे का और थोड़ा
कोई
बीच
बात
में रह
नहीं,
गया था कुछ कुछ
कोई बात नहीं. Please tell me what is cloud computing? How it can be used in banking or it is used in banking? I think this is a very tough question. Tell me.
sir cloud computing it's already has started the like banking sector have already started also adapting it using it because it is one of the gives the feasibility to the end user as well as it is very useful for the bank authorities to manage their the total traffic on the websites and the applications which they are using. So this is what
Mhm.
it,
Please study about, do
हाँ
Indian
sir.
banks use cloud computing? Cloud adoption in banking is not a new trend. In fact,
Hmm.
95% of banks across the world have moved at least some of their works towards a cloud. But despite the proven advantages of cloud adoption, until recently, most banks in India have been slow to embrace anything close to full cloud migration.
Migration.
That
Hmm.
there is some problem in this. Or
Hmm.
Indian banks moving to cloud. Indian banks refines focus on digital transformation, CTO. Hence, banks are increasingly pivoting towards the cloud. Now only they are moving. So
Hmm.
cloud services that span access both public and private clouds
Yes
or
sir.
at sweet spot. So please इसका बारे में
हाँ
सर्च
सर.
करके पढ़ लीजिए.
Yes sir. इसको देख लें.
Very good. Yeah. And next question for you that comes before my eyes is that what is human computer interface? What are the features of graphical user interface? पता नहीं, बाद में
Yes.
प्रिपेयर कर दीजिए.
हाँ
आप
सर. Yes
प्रिपेयर
sir.
कर दीजिए, ये सबका
ये
पूरा प्रिपेयर कर दीजिए.
हाँ
इट
सर
विल
ये
हेल्प यू.
कहीं पे देखा नहीं होगा ये शायद रह गया है कहीं पे.
देख
रह
लीजिए.
गया.
बेस्ट विशेस.
Yes sir.
यू आर डन वेरी वेल. Please attend the interview. Send the questions by posting in our group or by
Yes sir.
sending it to my WhatsApp. Thank you.
Yes sir. Yes sir. Thank you sir.
Thank you so much. You did well.
Thank you sir.
Yeah.
Sir, any area where I need to work on?
You know it. I have already told you. Your computer area thoda padna hai.
Sir,
Thoda
actually, from the day,
banking financial area ka thoda padna hai. And about Kerala, you should learn something more. About Orissa, you should know Orissa Ministry, Orissa Chief
yes,
Finance
sir, that I've
Minister,
gone through.
Labor. Yeah, and then Orissa, your industry development in your district, ये भी पता होना है.
Okay. Sir, actually, from that day only, I'm going through all the banking and economics statistics and reports. So technically ज़्यादा देखा नहीं है. तो
Okay.
basically वो repo rate, reverse repo rate इसके बारे में थोड़ा study वडी किए थे. So that's
Hmm.
what I'm asking that can I expect those
You're,
questions?
yeah, they may ask you in that area also.
Okay.
Thank you. Bye
Thank you,
bye.
sir.
Best
Nice.
wishes.